G'day guys, Josh here from Matero. So what are we doing today? It's cross trainer day. So we've pulled out the original cartridge. So there's the retainer bolt and there's the cap and the lock nut on it. So the only thing we want to retain from that is the cap. So we'll sit the cap side, leave the lock nut on and park that elsewhere. Next, so we get our V2 cartridge, okay? It comes with tape around the bottom, comes with a plastic cap on the top, and you've got your nut and your washer on the bottom. So start by undoing your nut, sit him down, take off your washer, just sit him down out of the way, and then pull off the tape. So the tape just keeps the birds and the spiders out. Now we want to get a little bit of grease and we'll put that around there and a little bit on our threads, okay? Now that is ready to go into the fork. So poke it into the fork and we push it in, and we'll just have a look in the bottom here and you'll see, and it sticks out the bottom. So then just get it and push it and it will click into place, okay? Then we can fit our washer, and then we can put on our nut. And then using a 12mm Allen, we can wind the nut. I didn't push the washer on far enough, but anyway. It's got the torque value on it, it's 15 Newton meters, okay? Don't use a rattle gun because it will break something. Alright, so we've done that up. Then we get our torque wrench. Make sure we're at 15 Newton meters, and with the torque wrench we can make sure that it is at 15 Newton meters. Okay. So then what do? Okay, so grab our fork and hold it upright, okay, and get our oil. So the oil volumes are in the back of the manual of what's recommended. Fill the fork with oil. Okay, and then using the little plastic cover, you can help hold the threaded area, and we just keep stroking it until it's bled. There's no more air coming out, not making any weird noises. Just a little bit more air in there. Go, we've got it all. Alright. Okay, what do we do next? So, wind the hydro all the way down, or the spring guide all the way down, undo and take off the plastic cap. We don't need that anymore. Now making sure that we have our spring guide with just the nut that it comes with. Take your original fork cap, wind that down. I normally hold the shaft, and you can wind that down all the way and just open up the Allen key in your rebound. Wind this all the way down and you'll feel the bottom's out on the shaft. Alright, once the bottom's out on the shaft, then and only then do up the lock nut, okay? So 22mm spanner and a fork spanner, okay, do up the nut. Now before we go to the effort of going all the way down, just get your 4mm Allen key and wind your clicker all the way in, okay? You should have about 20 clicks. Alright, and then you can set it to what you wish. So in this application we're going for 12. Okay, so we've done that up, we've set our Allen key, the cartridge is in and tight. We can just extend the fork and then we can wind the cap all the way home. And then we can nip up. That's it. Then with the 4mm Allen key from underneath, you can righty-tighty, close it up, and then count back the clicks you want. So 15's a really good starting place. That's it guys, enjoy.